All right, so welcome to this MegaLink online store system review, okay? And if you check how much I have made from my online store, you will see that already I am at $10,017. So this is awesome, right? And look, look, this is amazing. If I can do it, you can do it. Look, when it comes to making money online, the best way is to have your own online store. And I'm going to show you in this video how to get your own online store for just $7, one-time payment. And you will have an online store of your own that you just need to share all over the internet. This is amazing, okay? Now let me show you uh, let's go to my dashboard quickly. Just wait for it to load. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So as you can see already, as it's loading, you can see the products that are in my online store right now. Can you see all those products? So that's the thing. That's what I'm talking about. So you can have an online store just like mine with multiple products. Some of them are softwares, others are coaching programs and so on, but you only get started with just $7. And let me show you some of the payments that I have received from this online store. Now let's quickly check out some of those payments here. All right, so you can see the owners of this online store system are the Wayne Crow Limited. Let me even show you the Wayne Crow. So you can see this guy here. His name is Wayne Crow. He's the creator of this online store system. And when you earn commissions, you are paid, right? So look at some of the payments that I received from this online store, from the Wayne Crow Limited. Now you can see right now in this commission, I got a payment of $313 paid to me by the Wayne Crow Limited. But that is not all. Let me show you other payments that I got. Now look at this other payment that I got from the store. Can you see that? Look at that. This is another payment of $1,080 that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Look at that. $1,080 just promoting a simple online store system. But let me show you another one. Look at this. This is another payment that I received, $679 from the Wayne Crow Limited. Can you see that? That is amazing, but that's not all. Let's check out some more. Look at this. This is another payment of $1,500. Imagine getting $1,500 paid to you just promoting an online store system. It's crazy, right? But that is what you are seeing me achieve right here. Okay, let me quickly show you another one. Look at this other payment of $1,000 that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Can you see all these payments? Let's check another one. Look at this. This is another payment of $642 that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. But that is not all. Let me show you another one. Look at this. This is a big one. This is a $2,000 commission that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited, just promoting my online store and getting all these sales and just making all this money. But that is not all. Let me show you another one. Look at it. This is another payment of $679 that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited, guys. This is powerful, very, very powerful. But that is not all. Let's check another one. Look at it. This is a $1,000 payment in commission that I received from the Wayne Crow Limited. Look, for you to make money online, you need to have your own online store system. That's all I'm going to tell you guys. That's all. Now, let's quickly go to my notes. So this whole system is called the OLSP $7 MegaLink online store system. So this is a fully automated online store. And I showed you the products in the store, right? I have shown you the products in the store. There are so many, and they are creating new ones every day, right? So now you can see all these products in the store. So that tells you that this is an awesome system. Okay, now apart from the fact that they give you an online store with multiple products that you can make money from, they also give you the coaching and training, right? So they teach you how to run the online store, how to get customers to the store, how to get sales, and also how to earn more money in high tickets in the store, right? This is crazy. Now, let me tell you something. Now, this online store system is completely done for you. That means all you need to do, you get what is called your mega link, and you just share your link all over the internet, right? You share it on Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you like, sharing content. You just share it there. They even give you the materials that you share on those systems. Now, apart from that, once you share those links, okay, and you bring visitors to your online store and they put in their name and email there, the system takes over, right? The system starts following up with those leads. They send out emails on your behalf, organize webinars for them, organize training. They even call some of those leads to close high ticket sales for you guys. This is crazy. So with this online store, just like you see, you don't need to create any product of your own at all. You don't need any website. Everything is done for you. You don't need to have any technical skill. You don't need to recruit anybody, right? You just share your link. You don't need to call anybody. You don't need to sell anything. Everything with this system is done for you guys. It's powerful. It's powerful. Now, all you need is what is called the mega link. Let me even show you the mega link so that you see it. So can you see my link here? It's called the mega link, and this is it. I just click on it and I copy it. You see where I copy it successfully, and then I just share it on the internet, on Facebook especially, and just keep generating visitors to that link. And that's all I really do. It's called the mega link. Now, once you get the mega link, you can earn commissions from over 7 different income streams. That is over 7 different products from your online store. Because once you get the mega link, they give you the store immediately, right? So you could earn 100% commissions in front end mega link sale. Okay, that's powerful, right? And not only that, you also get high ticket commissions in back end. So you could earn high ticket commissions of $500 per sale, $1,000 per sale, or even $2,600 per sale. Now, how much does this whole system cost you? Just $7, guys. Only $7 one time, and you have access to this powerful system. Okay, you have your own online store just like me. So look, I'm not going to waste your time anymore. If you are ready right now, you want to get your own online store just like me right now and start earning all these wonderful commissions, just do this immediately. Go below this video you are watching right now, just like this. Okay, now once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join the OLSP $7 MegaLink system. So go ahead, click that first link just like this. Now, once you click the first link, that will bring you to this capture page website. Very simple thing you have done. Once you get on this page, just come below just come to the where it say get instant access. So you just put in your name here and your email, just like I tell you. So go ahead, put in your name and put in your best email address here. Then you see the green button that says join now, get your online store. So go ahead, click that green button. All right, so once you click the green button, that will now bring you to the MegaLink website. Okay, now once you get on this site, it's awesome. Now there's a video. You just need to watch the video, see how many people are making so much money with this online store system. Now, after watching the video here, just come below the video to this orange box that says click here to get instant access. And how much did I tell you this whole online store thing cost you? Just a one-time $7. Can you see that? One time $7. No monthly fees, guys. No monthly fees. So go ahead, click this link, pay your one-time $7. Get your own online store just like mine. All right. This is amazing. And look. Once you have your own online store system and you join through my link, I'm going to give you some marketing bonuses. Okay. These are advertising free bonuses that you need to get more customers to your store. All right. So what you want to these are the bonuses that I'm going to give you for free because you joined through my link. So once you join, get back to me and tell me you want these free bonuses. I call them the Victor free advertising bonuses. Now, what do you get here? You're going to get one free 1,300 email swipes so that you can send out emails and generate traffic like me and make good amount of money with the system. The second bonus you are getting are classified ad headlines. Then you have classified ad bonus body. You also have 200 pre-written ads, guys. 200 pre-written ads that you can post on Facebook, on Instagram, right? You also get 50 pre-made images already done for you so that you just post them on all these sites and get a lot of visitors to your online store. So this is amazing. How do you like that? Awesome. And you can see just me promoting my MegaLink, promoting my online store, you can see that I have been able to earn right now. Let's check it. Can you see that? It's lovely. Let it load. Look at that. $10,000 or $1. One-time payment, guys. One-time payment. Look, if you like this video, if let's put it this way, if you have questions, you can leave it in the comment section. Okay, and if you like this video, go ahead, click the like button, also click the share button, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that I keep showing you how you really make a lot of money with a $7 online store system. All right, so with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.